importantly for Professor Augustus Nwagaba. Abokuba, I don't think mayaja abwachi, but and we have so many economists. Nkihanga, no manya Professor Bumza. There are so many, including our own Benjamin. But Benjamin, of course, no remia our governor. At Professor Augustus Nwagaba inemia nkaga na gumwe. Professor Michael Atinge go ainenkaga. Omano wankaga ne taunizo no wankaga ne numkuzaro. Nkaga na gumwe nkaga. Whatever. At Benjamin now abarekireho kandi.
But
when I was reading their profiles, taboko bashomere bachelor's, master's, PhD. Hati London School of Economics, Manya tourism, you know. So you kwahereze kufa the red professor, I mean governor Mutevere. Kuyahereza tukufa obwiro buto amazire. Umutogo hanje felt like Nwagaba should take over.
Really?
Nyunu wana nindeba and for reason is nene twabe tunaje nkuko mushija wakaba nizina ryanza ryanyo abantu bajya nkona nkashangwa arkuritiko omwana omuntu
kashi hata mu kuba kuritiko kanja naba yafaye mu
kashi no matwenda kutugamba. So now finally ogomushija kwazire kuyaba deputy governor icyo kubanza noreba tinge gwa twiro mu system kandi kibe kitakubasa kuba kirungi. I think uriya kwiza kamutopinga then uriya kagaraka kaba deputy konka noreba ngunko mu chain hari amasiko kugira ngo this man hata biroke byabira Louis ka second he can take over as the governor, and I believe, I have confidence we are being led by competent people. Hata tinge go na Augustus Nwagaba who doesn't understand economics kandi abantu bingi bamukongratulatingira amikutuyona bakugira ngo aine practical economics.
Yes.
Abukwana waro kwatwe na shobore bintu what needs to be done, how we need to fight corruption.
Anako kure bitongore bingi bukum consulting.
The National Monetary Fund, World Bank, African, manye whatever. Abashabi ne CVs.
I know.
We are
I congratulate you mujurizi abako yaneje etireri yeshara yawe yo kujangana cyabaho,
and I congratulate benyebuza. What?
Imyaka yaba nkesha twaho. Ahadati 16 ezari ngumshayityo kwaza nsakwa situnganiyo reporters bitu kurugombe tweka byo wanyu na mnonga nsakwa ntureba Ruth na wamanya okuruga muri isinjiro nsakwa ntureba Onesimus ntia nabo nawe neja kwa natugambiriye byo mucweke cyayemeriremu abo cyo nkabe nishaba ngo base okuturitereza turebe what is going on tuba turi ya ground okugamba cyenyine ekiriyo nicebaho ningashe kibireho kandi tubase kutambura je twine bimwe ahabi Ruth nuwamanya rukuza kutuganiriraho katubanze turebe bite says nabwa nyuma tubone tumutera akasumu ayongeserezo byenyine byarebera ha ground tubase kumanya kugenda misho.
Twachine nkoko, twachine mbuzi, twachine mpunu, oyine mpunu narara na yo munzu, oyine mbuzi narara na yo munzu, aha kitanda mbuzi tinchi jine, n'abana bande nesishomesa, nesente z'abampire za Museveni zo kugira ngo zituyambo bworo, hari sumodo, nazo nazugura mu mpunu bajiba, mweti kumanya.
Na banti, iyo kuzwa andewe yo munda, mtunagamba ati ninjye bakati cyo rakore ki? Kino cyo rangore. Mara tipisa barya. Twenda twahuriremo. Nanga tugambe umibera juru. Umushuma nasinga ato muntu wabutusho yiba ubugabe. Tugirizeho nk'abantu. No kwa to muntu muteka polisi akutanga. Atugambira umuntu nubasa kutukwerinda no mwerindo kora atera induru bakuyamba ubakuyamba umucomi kabasigaza bakuzereki abari hatu tuyabo tubabo
tamanje wakwinga kwihaba kwata kwiho mu kwata mbwa kumtera sozi kuko mbizo yo nkazunwa otakukimanya akimanyizo be kanyo se nimbugambaho
ayongere kutushoborera umuntu omushuma nakiza ata
presumption of innocence no chimanya.
Very annoying. But anyway, that is what is happening.
It's a presumption.
Iwe mwana gwe orirota mushiki wanje kandi kanosha ngo tutwako
Hello. Hello. Maybe we can connect again. Connecting smweji. Changing a position maybe network aho yenyini ya hazira. Twenze tungeje chishani cyo kwa kubiza.
Aya agitira mu loud speaker tukahuruzana.
Ijero ukadretero wabe na tembe chisika yaza. Okamwe kandi ati sinjo na yashobera. Why?
Nenda kutwara.
Uri wa mobile man uyirukiro wabarwira kacira kiruka. Mwena ati umja yabuza umukazi yabuza ona mazima kurane mpu no munzu wayi
kandi oje komera aha kuguru kandi nabo wayumva kubini womba kugendana nayo.
We need to connect again with the rules. Charity chinani ngamba haro echiba kweta ngo presumption of innocence. Kuja ngo mwakwe kwatra nenkoko yawo nkajukoma maraka. No sigaro tine mushango kusiyo bara kushango gwini.
Kandi wetu akwata je butunu.
Hello. Rusi naida kwa natwakuraho ikintu kuteka nyowe uko muntu community zone kwa nahita kurugabari y'abashuma bwe n'abashuma barabura hamwe niteka ngo bakorenge kinarebero kunjire kuzika tukaba njire kuzika oku omucweka kimwe twaturu rugando by the home cyaro twagiye kuzikira kuri stofo kumugendo itaha omucyaro cha
district
Rugando I'm just forgetting the village. Konka bakajya ngo batera karuru.
Kano harukirayo obushuma.
Umuteka ariyo. Empunu yanjerire buze. Kayemba numtaka, Charite numtaka, Mjuzu numtaka, Priva numtaka, hati abantu bajya nkonga kugiro tukureba.
Izina ya Charite rya topinga
Abakuba nasi batarumu narebeka mu mwazyo kandi umukajeje nase ananywera kakuriya hatubabuza na
yonga nambugina jwire chikofira tiraho cha hudu
asharire ki nanyweki
nakora murumoki
the economic activity ene atibajironde bura.
Hello.
Yes sir.
Onesimus.
Hello. Ilantu yenda kugira buzo buchibo butahuruzanga ito ntubahurira ko ngaruzo tumukutura uya wondering why. Onesimus twatkurire. Onesimus we.
Hatu amwita chiga.
Kosho biru.
Ara jatu.
Reka tugaruke tugezo kandi live kandi. I think try.
Hello, Buria?
Rusi no gambachi. Rusi way. Ori rota.
Direje mjinzi na chate mjilemta.
Turireje. Ati omushuma na no ubiba no hayi no bugabo mu Uganda kabyatushobera kare tutebeza kubigenzera.
Abanda amasta bashobera kare.
Okay.
Abantu abo babiri bajya gukagwa kabare omuringarama edenukangano
yego
abantu abakira kurara n'amatungo gabo bagakomera habitanda ngo kumaremba bagambira nangwa n'ebyimba byabo nk'ebyimba ngo buroza kuba bashabire abo kuba bashuma babanyanganize
yego
kandi ese tokweba mbabuza ngo nshuma no wibo no bugabe ino nshuma wakwatire udagira kuba mujeruna
yes
aza polisi yajangwa uko kumwatwaza kuso damwe babakwata nanzebe bariyo mukome
omushuma we ngutubine kubamba mukora aho bakora hari yaba bamukozireho
hataba bamukozireho nangwa bakamukoraho ari kurungi bakamukoraho nonga bamwihano magaragese
bakaba bamukwasire butunu ninga bakamba mutekateka
bakamukwata kija yatahuje no takashange muzine nembo ko byona byo munju yari sonzi yasharamu bashange muri
yego
bene kama wenje nawe yatere muri yitabaga no abamukwata bakwaza bate kuko bataze konkanya kwibwa na baraba bamuyambire bona hatu bari mu kifono hata abantu babangarama bagira ngo mwe ntatugire tutakorera aho kureba betire DPC bayeta LC5 n'abebembeza abandi bagira ngo mwe ntatugambire cyo gukora ubwira nunjango kareba polisi erikongerwa abantu linga personnel polisi bajonjire tweke n'abariyonjire polisi.
Yes.
So district isindiro nemo district ezayonjirwe polisi. Hati district isindiro inamagomora 30 konka borgombora neza kubine polisi posti n'abapolisi tugari 12 mpaka 18.
Yes.
When hati DP togo kureba tomo gwanga bagizirati umugisha tukazatondira abapolisi when twaza kore kwekweto omihangwe na nyicu.
Yes.
Ijo bonde kwekweto ntumanye byicuro konga hate abangarama yahiwo mugisha bakorende kwekweto by'umihangwe.
Yes.
Abo kuba na no mihangwe amatungo babemba gatwara.
Bagasubura ko misiri no munanga.
Bagasubura musiri agatwara embuze kibino twana atugaya bwita.
Yes.
So bashazire mu hati reka twore kwekweto byicuro na no mwihangwe kandi LC5 we yagira ati ora kwatwe yashanga ngo n'amazuma niba tuza kushitama n'omuramuzi omuramuzi amuheho bwiro bwe yongire kubundi abantu bakaba bagwejekire.
Yes.
Rero kandi abo babebine n'amazina bakutekatekaho agabanza barakwasire ku ngabanya abantu bawo bomo.
Yes.
When kuba gasomere omwe yagabwa yo mu rukiko.
Ego mama.
Mbene nuko kweti isoko ko kureba.
Ego.
So ayete isute yajangu bamwe chance ndijo tatigaruka kwiba ushoto gakaba mukwasire bo bayenda ku mwotya.
Yes.
Yayete.
Ego.
When hata garikire yayete isa
yaza no mu rukiko buzima.
Yaza no mu rukiko mbene katujengo agarikire mu mbabazi.
Yes.
Hata ibyo nibyo by'ingarama ni single district yo no kwanza hamwe abo kuba ushuma buri hamwe kandi nabo bebembeza ngabakorwa amagomborera mbabwegekera entokoza bonko eri abatugaze bakubyebirebe ko kati sindire yongirwe polisi so kateka umuntu aza kuba hempisa y'amani
webare mnonga Ruth ntushabango sibaje mama
nanyenda kubuza kimwe byabigamba byona nanyenda kubuza nti iyo nko umuntu kire nko mnyamakuru akora research notera yangu ibiresirwe abantu naburo akano mu kitabo cya Bible najati nenjara no kwiganizwa n'ururara ebe buza kabuza n'uwo now hati nanyenda kubuza ecyagwaza kwakiresire mbera ya vulnerability jo muri Ngarama nenshi kunga wahurra hatu umuntu ari kurya ebitokoza bonko nabatakine kugira ngo ncerenze kukoreki nyihe mitwaro yangisha tu mbe niyo nanyu haka
kandi ejike bitokoza bibonko babugura
nahurra mu bwinazi
so nabona nanda kasende
kugira ngo uyibe mbuzi ubwana bwayo bwite hato gutakustaringa mukama wayo ekire kinanyera gamba cyaje cyo kugira ngo bo bayestamera omu community bakagira ngo katwerebe nibajya ngo nibigwa mwe nibenda kugira ngo rukubiba nargaho imash no bamwero namuri bambona atu wahurra ngo bachikozire already ngomwe ya etisa nibajya ngo forgive but don't be stupid to forget bamuhe benefit of doubt nawe konganyo wahabwanje ngo kubagamba byona nintega yangu babasa kwebinga amabashuma baba harahaza
indeed
the best way possible
katurebe twantu basa connectinga na Onesimus ndia nabo muri rubirizi turebe mbera ho ukweyemerire umushwekecho twahirwa twamutunga sakwa trist twabona ibirukoga beitu nabasa kutwandikira WhatsApp yitu no tumushanje mukaga 2 9 8 2 nkaga 2 twandike bikufu mushwekacho wanyu ebiryo mucanga cyawe katurebe Onesimus
kumanya konka Onesimus ntubaza kuba turiyo ntumuferwa na naware bakira kutwasigaza
Okay. Ogwe tiyabasa kurakuka kukwata bite dakika za 29 eza igasha yiti yo kubanza bite nshonga y'abashuma buruceka tugikorera amagezi akabaho nyine patrol zeciro za mayumbi 10 otubo byamorana bakuronda akatiko aka defense hacharo numbasa kurunda no busento mbataka once in a while mugwe murabarabemu mukwata abantu abo bene abo mutawuni nyo yine cyangwa kinkumanya ubona bakagure frembe bakatensa bagure frembe bazaraza hi umuntu bamutahirira natere frembe nabo kubatera hatubona bamanyango bamanyana hatuburyo mwakija kihaho hatabashuma mbatanga babagendana mbwene buricweka kiziro kucayiya abebembeza umutemo twani nkano rece ziba bebembeza hamwe no baba kwabatireho abantu nkabana bari bakora imirimo
I'm also advocating kwa advocating eba kweta konte. Hello. Yes sir.
Rabesha.
Orireje Sebonesimas.
Yoka na rangate chuburyota.
Turiyaho shani we network yateganisamu banzo tereza go ino mukasheshaka.
Akasheshaka. District yari zambira n'umuntu munonga. Kureka ngo kushimanya ngo ebirutatu kwezo kukafunamu okumuruka.
Yes.
Ezo kushoma shobero gatari gamwe na gamwe na munonga ga government kurebe mbere kwemerire. Onka ondre da program ngenda komanda sango district ya Rubinzi hariho umwanya uri kweta katera town council omu katerera ari ishomero rya government iri kweta Kachu primary school
Kachunomba katehangwa Huntington
ka primary school embera te kurunje munonga ahabwembera y'ibizimbe y'ibyemeriremo ibizimbe mwati bikingire bindi birukubi tugezero gambana yedifita yagira ngo nawe byarabitiyo mu nyingo takumanya mbereho abana bariyano bagezaho kwija konka no barukwiza umwanya wo gushomera mu kigurukuruni mwenu omwijurano abana abamwe mbashomera hansi y'imiti konka tuze matuka afisa ordeku direkita w'utumireri agira ngo bariyano bagezaho munonga kurebuka ngo bagezaho gambana authorities kureba embereji ubundi ko bakubasha kugitwaza no gukoraho ba fundraising okuserze kurga yari icumero rya secondary school ubona nabwe erukwetu aritoto senior secondary school ariga mugomboro ya aritoto hano ujya nabo mu district ya Rubirizi.
Yes.
Ishomero rikatandikaho musinze gwekanisa bitu nabwanimo finance year ya 2024-2025 from July nijya byatwarwa government. Kurugari y'agarwa government bose bakizukana n'ibizimbe bitozo byabegero abo bakatondera ibizimbe bya government. Kandi nabana babiri batakakanyire munonga konka uko embabazi baho etamwe by'abana babiri binshi.
Wow.
Kongo babiri binji ombega za program ngenda kumanyisa ngo ibizimbe by'abana bo kusomeramo nabyo tuzuru.
Biriyo musore state.
The teacher akizire ngo ariyo natekaho natiza pensa abantani metenzi kugira ngo abana batangire kushomera umutenzi.
Shomero ya government.
Yes, bituna tugambire kurungi nabo yaje gofera umuranga district kugira ngo ubundi barebe nsongeji uko abaka kudadressinga nukwe bareba abana b'inyanga uko batwaza ko gafutari kusomera mutenzi.
Yabare mnongo mwame Onesimus.
Yes.
Abo kuba okora follow up page bwa nyuma y'amashomero kwiguro karebe imbere yo mu mashomero agamwe. Ereza entandikiro nungi yo kumanya uko ibintu byemerire na mnongo mu education sector.
Yes.
Wisangi so much abo mu mugo gukora Rubirizi oturamukiza abantu ba Rubirizi.
Obare mnongo kusi.
Kare sebo. Charity twasigara njya wabihurira kusanga nutiza tense so maka. Ati nakabaga kabataka no mawanu zakugira abajenyi no basakutiza te. hatwo kugitizo inishomero
George Garaya ryari chattangaza but thank you for improvising abo kuba hagwenjura njanje mayisanga banatwinaho kubata kandi amashomero ntukundaga ari hihi obagine bizimba batugabyine ntwantwe ndakushomeseza hiyabo kwa nabwo no yimushika ngo entasiye kacendera so ntwantwe yiya konkati manya government waneje gukora cyabo kuba kine kinte cyo takubasa gukora mu kiro kimwe ninga bibiri kandi amashomero turi umwe tabiri n'amashomero minji kinage inet gakagira hamutindo na eriyo ne yakira gandi ninjira ngo ni okira kwa no haburi hanga
my advice is I've been doing voluntary work charity kwa work sente mu nyushike because I have improvised also.
Kandi ka wacha gamba hato volunteer na banarinda yo
no ma Benjamin Msita doctor arena aza kwija ntwenda kurebwa nyuma kukingwa kwa United States Agency for International Development USAID. Now bwanyuma kukinga with all the money it has been bringing in abuka sente benerete nyingi the Ministry of Health na education those key sectors turantugamba obwegese ne byamagara hata ekire yakingo rebero of video batembero mu Washington DC bakambure byapa biri United States Agency for International bakubikambura ekimanza ngo nayo kuri yateriyo officer
yaza honira
ikazaho kumorwe nankaganisha ekatibo president John Fitzgerald Kennedy umugenzi yayamara imyaka nkaganisha kandi kozire ibintu byingi munonga abo kuba no kimanya USAID waza nkombya amashomero wazo mbye mpunjwa now bwanyuma yo kugenda obuhabuzi bwanja government ya Republic of Uganda no hati enchiko kutwentu basa gukora crisis meetings ekiro kwimuka winta kuchika shime kwa kuchika what next abo kuba twine emberambo mu education konka hina kandi kazinda kabene kiza kakazamu emberambi ombya magara konka twine ekijinchire kibenkirga kuriya na nebijinchire yacu hati nchimanisa ki we have to allocate money ezraze ahwezbenza ahwezachiro kandi tukagaraka tukarwansa munonga obushomankuzi kugira ngo buri kintu cyona cyaritaze bakweta austerity measures umanga gona garatungukire embera kweguma bajyango hati embera niwe yagumo wawe no basabyo twetubene turyo mugati gwa Bruban mabana muhiriza za kurya mandazi kandi Bruban mbe mu jesasire embera kera atere hati hangari improvising naryo turebe ngo twafuna sente twazitombi amagare twayemerera kwara abantu binja batura medications right now we don't know what next now noza kuchenga je mu USA debe no mugasho yes you will understand ngo abashabe batuberireho the day you will begin to bury every day bwanyuma y'umuntu kufa bumbaza kubura
ninja ngutwerwane ho nyine
no kwerwanaho kandi tukaba serious bitari byo gumana tugamba
abasayansa bakazire ba ugwanga babahereze support atabatandike kuronde bishake byakubasa kutambaka koko kasiri
waitwa kamera ya RV tukagira gamagezwe kwate kijumecho tukachishoma tukarebe bakikora muri tukatandika
tukabyekorera
so that hati twabe tujyangwa yintuze korera
ni tukabekabera samare cyangwa abanyabwenge tubine they have never been given a chance
He who does not go to the granary will never know that the granary is empty. Takama ngo hatu yawo mwori yo mchitara kanya timpa yo ragarwa kabara. Wamyo katine chumanya timpa yecho niwe abaraza kumangu yawe.
So embera nuko yemerire tyo bitu tuteka ngo ntakagira cyahinduka ho na nandi wasa kutunga investors abita bahi nabitwi nabine sente zikuchereza ihanga muko collaborating nabo and we can you know approach them in some way tubase kure cyakubasa korwaho babarekera nitwe twaza kumura twaza kubantu garuka n'impapura z'amakuru otarga program eji yasisimuka
Oyu n'umukuru nk'embaga AGM za Sako graduations emipira n'enkunga n'izindi noyenda ngu abantu bazilebe live ninga shubutunu aha TV West utaferwa mu gishogu ubwa hati TV West nebasa kwereka omukoro gwawe aha kabeyi akacendezibweho live ninga shubutunu tukirire aha office zitu omuri Boma Mbarara ninga otere simeji eya Notina 14 33 nshanju not TV West nehinda
Best Money Expo 2025 kutandika nebiri 14 okusya 2016 byo kwa 2 Ijana Stadium.
Yo numugamba cy'abantu banje mukuru we cyanga Lithan MC kandi yo muhereza wawe wa program eyo munendeserezo kwihamande paka orakatano ndiya kwamanya isakazano kitu akasingula school fees na TV wese cyo inekora n'ikintu cyangu isentezi za kwantuziga baburu akashatu mu program eyo munendeserezo so making sure ngo wawo kinga konkazana tanchera yejeshaho kuzana imata star 2 3 8 star ishatu star 10 otekeyo hash okora televira jiro obase kwano taha mukazano kitu akasingula school fees ana TV West bit before otaki masire kodejo making sure ngo inishirinje 12 aha mobile money yawe ningashi aha Airtel money obase kwano yesingura cash ningashi school fees na TV West.
Sindika video orukweshongoro mkundo wake shongoro ahari notu mushanju mukaga 2 982 dero tungo mugishago kwesingura binji aha Valentine's Age inkadina yawe no mkundo wawe eshashurirwe no buraro ahari Mizabibu Gardens live band hamwe no kureba fireworks butunu ebi bishagikirwe Kazire Health Products abari gukora cyo kunyo cya Kazire Red Tonic hamwe na Power Tonic Red Star Wine y'abakundine hamwe na Mizabibu Gardens abine hotel ebara hamwe no mwanya go gukoreramo imikoro.
Ebijo mpaparaza makuru nebikushyirwaho lyantonde School of Nursing and Midwifery.
Twagaruka tutyo banywana bitu abwe mpapura z'amakuru twino rupapuro rwa Bukede twino rupapura orwa The New Vision. Bukede ne yar 10 kandi The New Vision ne yashirinje 12 bitwine abaryantonde School of Nursing and Midwifery abambashomesa abanasi hamwe na nabazarisa nkabe ntakwenda ngo umuntu wabase kushemba kandi ubwonko bwabwina ari kubasa kukore cemerire abantu ntukizara abantu ntukirwara. We need these nurses, we need these midwives. Nabwo cyo nkabe nyenda ngo mwana omutware nangwa niwo mukuru ayabe nayenda kushoma ibintu nkebi hata bo barya aha murembe kandi barukorobye mbera na munonga bari kutambura mu economics ziyanga kato kuziri okubasa kugira ngo bambe ba balancing equation otakare mwa to be sincere benda bakoreje utunge cyo turano yenda kora nabwanyuma ubase ukha service ihanga ryawe. So abaryantonde School of Nursing and Midwifery enamba zabo ziso ziya screen no basa kutera hati oyetegereze yiwa kubasa kutandikira kandi abwa burengero rwizoba ryantonde ryaha hihi wargambarra mishoka cyaho hati no za ryantonde. So noko ruzabushenyi urzantunga mo ruzakabaro ruzakisoro obena mangu wargotka chembarra obano za ryantonde kandi shomerero yon Henry elikushomesa abanasi hamwe na abazarisa twina ba budget boutique no bari kujweke mpanga leje kureba mu program eji kandi nibashubura emyende y'abakazi na nabishiki nabwo cyo nkabenye bintu birukanzira ubase okutunga kijwaro cya wabwo mwako ge 2025 abukazi atakurebeka je mbaja ngo mukazi mbino tajwire nabwo cyo nkabenye kandi bataka kubarabika just abo kujya ngutojwire je you know. So ronda aba budget boutique aho murembo rwambarra bari aha GBK House eje yaharimba guta street opposite na Central Market mbwena hata ukora hikeho tarebere chapa je basa kubuza rya round kunge cyaba icapa cyabo ncegambera kiri hihi kandi bawakirebere sumu yabo note mushanje note 2 3 8 2 gitere hati iwo wahorusero gitere hato wakamwe kamwe uje kwa no gamba na buno yetegereza aho ine kuba no kwata bari nchiriza mbanze nareba urupapura urwa Bukede akasheshaka n'abajanti minister afurumya rero ebya senior eyokuna byijamanya konka mwana anje kubirije kona nyendo manye ngunote yakuba inenye nchakare utakaja ngo ubundi hati niyo byatamburira kubi aho kambe niho natandisera abo kuba nabandi barabatamburire kubi kandi bariyo bakora jo mu magaraga guturufutura. So don't see it as an end. Kandi abakoze reje, of course we shall congratulate you twaiza kubamanya beitu embera nukwerietyo minister Furumya rero ebyasinya yokuna eteka ryo bufumbe pya ryogeza ababaka n'abakulembeza abararebe unikiriza banadini bawanda muriro eri nyine kurusho mankongera kuryetegereza abo kuba abanyadini kabe njangu bo bikabe barahakiri abo babacwiro mu ruhaci byaba bita abakurira Kampala batabuse kubatembeyi biruhwaha tinkwendo feru hato mtembeyi kwa kucuguze 13 iyo duka rukushashura license na rent na nemshore ndijo hato ronde cyo gukora cyubura ihangara burakutasi yabukuba ubakuyo mushoro bamushitamera birya KCCA rese namba ukuramba amayumba imo yesu so nanebyo biryaha amajumba kwambaga mbagaramba ushange ngo ryaha manya charte kurozi manya house namba zinga hinkebyo senga Valentine super sitairo ya Chinawulovu joba we kwata mshengeranga wanje Chinawulovu kandi atahonyoka byanshobera shoma yorebe obyaza mwe byakanyaruju aho nintambukaho agafa kubiduka mu igarinyo ebyo bizano biteka miketija aha ninda for example bagamba ngurije isabiri ya tute URA ewa Vipers ya mugoba katire cyara gikore ngashe byagikozire then bano batomereganide mu kisawe umuzanyi nafa nikimara mwamani kuba mutomeire batomeri no mucishayi mwenyine kuko korana mutomerana bambe we yaferaho Manchester City ne Real Madrid batunka mu Champions League byana biryomu kinkabishoma ngo nabihezayo konka sente yawe neje kuchukora harvest money present kurge 2016 February umucishayi Nambore Stadium okutaha muno mutwaro kurge 12 mpaka 16 bakwata buhinje no burisa ka business kana na value addition ebyo kuhinga bihimbo kabereka nko kubiri yapana ubaso wundi kubishubura ubishekure ubibike then bari ababatine hatiyo buguzaka bei kahiguru so value addition biryaha utakaferwa okuzayo ukabasa okulmanya cyo ine kora utaha muno mutwaro gumwe gonka then waenda bak training abo benyina bakugwa barukereruka yo muryebi nabwe nakanda katwaro just 20,000 in any case kandi burizoba burukuzayo nuko kiri then nebizuse kubutakanya mu family ya Jere Rutaya nabyo babireta urupapuro rwa Bukede kambe nurekira aho rwa shiringira 10 kandi rwo rizoba rwa Sharuti katurebe orwa The New Vision Rinaha nuko rwa Sharuti headline what lies ahead for New Bank of Uganda bosses ababatorinwe boresherire shi nibaza kushangaho shi experts react profiles of appointees inside yes bano bakoreka ogwine bachelors zachi akashoma masters mu DHI PhD from all these things babinaha then bakozire bintu ki ombikwate obukugu bwabo banyandene bakora batangira kubishangaha omurupapura primary classes should end at 3 p.m. Bya primary kusoma kuhenda samwenda abana bakataha kega goyo burakoze suwani akasubire mbuzi akamanya ikinde cyo gukora turene tuzo mu cyabajun kandi bo kibakorire it's not about to excelling in class always utine ikinde cyo kubasa gukora umunsi abana basheye kwano bahenda samwenda kandi bimere na chance yo kumanya icyo bari shoma kurwo muri turi kumenya ibirokagana nyekiro shayi birumbayo mushoma turufuna ka chance ko kumanya no makuza no mpira ka chance ko kumanya nkanashita maha computer ha nimbasa kuje kina draftinga umwana kira kwa kandi takine
so education age mbwenu kandi
embrace wabati
adjusted kari munonga so ninchagireki njo kugira ngo abazire turebe kingu abana nibashoma ngo binebinde bayo bakora outside classes. Controversy over RDC transfers. Kotyo mbibaha why PLU march to parliament was halted when even nabyo turebere nabamwe abaye babyebembiye bingi tubikende. UDC ready to help agriculture entrepreneurs to develop. UDC nenchi neza kubishangaha umupapura kandi Uganda Development Corporation yejo. Commission wants school time slashed. Yeah, uchendezwaho buhebwe bindi bajya kubireba. Police probe panga gang linked to Budo police. Oh, abihoraba bitaga kanga bumnonga bukuba. You know what lies ahead of the new Bank of Uganda bosses bariana profile zabo bishome governor na deputy we yabatorino. Borders leading cause of road accidents. Of course kanuni nyingi zapiki kanda hero kubahona wagireba niyo noshoberwa when something has to be done. PLU march to parliament stops midway. Abantu bingi bagambira kwebemberwa kwa Mawanda. Onareba Mawanda. Onashima Mawanda mazima Mawanda. So when bajumira parliament okushomankura
okwebembera ki
eki orurwe sharingo rubendo zo parliament
rwa PLU
ni member wa parliament otwira implicated okushomankura haza arukuza parliament kwesharinga mu parliament nenshomankuzi. It was that kind of controversy abantu beburuze now at parliament yo nesharinga ngo neshomankura like kigizire mugasho. Panadol and ARVs in food. No man ma wahara mnyeto yabe yaja nkakukore baba kwata. Aba bahire soda. So you really
Panadol and ARVs in what? In what? In food.
Pardon?
Echuwa shoma. Panadol and ARVs in food.
Panadol and ARVs in food. Nechibuzo mbweni yabuza. Ebe bintu nibabitombi byo kurya ngo kutukurira ngo enyamana bagitekeza bire bintu ngo yorobe.
Okay.
Abukwa yabuza. Bamwita Mere Karoro Okrut bakireba wargo ko gace Trump and the African excitement, the monkey that laughs at the burning forest. Okay, yes kaje nene mecho abo kwa Africa ubutwabenturonda karuka Trump enyuma hace simbe na Biden nangwa na Biden yarigiro hagiro uri mucyara Harris Kamara. Africa looked excited for Trump. No wishka? Okosho tumwenu bari abenyima bakandi benda homosexuality mbwenu kare okuchabe kiri but people wanted Trump.
Mwena yizeri.
Ya mari biro makumyaka biro mu office.
Tonke byakozere ne byafanye.
So
kwenda implementation.
Decentralized projects to electrify hard to reach areas. Okay, tuyo tugeza kwende rupapuro. Investors urged to prioritize manufacturing. Ikintu cyemeye kuba kiri aho kumanyuva hiri esente nyinyi munonga munaza gukora factory teina heri. Esente zo zikazayo n'abazesente zo mumushozo jiri.
Nirwaro. Tima korra birra dra musinji.
Really arboa. Ugamwe twibirwa nitureba yo tingu manje.
Gamba wao hatingu manya.
Ashi aro parliament yaza kuza kureba bishirwa ro sente kazashobirira zayi. Bakashanga atine cyuro kandi bakazima. Unga bakaringuruza abantu bare no musinge gutariwe. Aha, nails, hair and perfume. Ebyona biryaha ataba basemektaho na lipstick no shote ibintu bigenda hamwe. Nails, hair and perfume. The color of ebyona binaka kwate na Valentine's. Dad is interested in my girlfriend's mother. Wow rebishobere. Oguno musigazi ayino mucyo. Ishe na yandanye na umucyo. Hatu bakoreki musigazi yanabu. Charite kuchira kwirukangira bura hamwe to like umusigaza no mucyo ishe na yandanye na umucyo what combination is
Nje zakireka tuko akweje nawe kutugamba ho no mangu nyoni nza kugamba konka bwire bwatwa
mutwikirize impapuro z'amakuru tubezigarikiza igin the new vision is shaped by the front page niyeji urupapuro n'urugure 20 rutunje ahabo kuba umyanya yo na rumu kandi bukede ne yasiringira 10 bereke impapuro z'amakuru tuzigaruza
twine ba Hayes recruitment experts abambatwara abantu ahero gukora na mnonga hati mbenda bakutware acha icyenyoye cha Abu Dhabi hamwe na Dubai nabaronda abantu abari hagati y'imyaka 21 okuzaha myaka myaka 4-5 kandi mbenda bojo nabishiti abakazi n'abashija bwen wanonda okugira ngo ze koro umunsezo na mnonga abishayi byenyonyi basa okuba contactinga okubasa kugira ngo ubase okutunga akarumu abo kuba hantumanye ngo mirimo ikabura nabwo cyo wabona nkako ni very to your advantage so cyo ine kora basa okubaronda ahitaji eryo mucweka cyawe urukozesa enambeje note mushanju ina note emwe 2 3 4 5 mukaga kandi nibenda bahe nibenda bakora mu customer care nibenda stewards nibenda ba cleaners nibenda ba check-in agents nibenda ba landing ground guides bonabo bano basagwo mu kitinkecho baterra sumwejo ubaronde umucweka cyawe ukwanitsa no kwabusha warambaronda sendo manye ngo abo tuba Hayes benu echo nkwenda chenderantyo bitwinana naba day to day
no supermarket eri kushanga mu kizungu around about mwenu wacha miranka ajipaho atejo supermarket eri free-fledged buri kimwe kiro harimo ibintu byona ebyo mu kiyungu ebyo mu kishenge ibintu by'amashanyarazi ibintu bikwate na furniture ibintu byo kutekesa fridges zenungi zo murembe za dining tables sitting room hebitanda in all sizes kandi ababoro kureba they even deliver wagure ibintu kajoti nyondi wabushencha bujimbi ndio warwibare ndio warwampara bo bine motoka zabo numwikirizana ebintu bapakira babutwara romuka so ko kwikaho hariho mwaya go kupakingaho no pakinga bakwakira cyo tahamu ugamba buri kimwe byona babyine mu towers nungi curtains ibintu birungi munonga so echo rakore yor kwenda kugura ebintu ebyomuka oyombe kirenje nonda kutasya mu buri kimwe cyona including furniture nibugenderaho byona ka omwanya gumwe ngo gora shopping amukaheza zaha day to day chujungu nishangwa round about arichan cyabikira Maria obenbo wakoragana nabo erizoba nabwataho nabwajana yenshakare koragana naba day to day supermarket aho rukushanga mu kimwe cyo
baterras muyabo not mushanje not mukaga not mukaga not 2 omanye birukitiraho Liantonde School of Nursing and Midwifery nwamba tusiaho akashonshere chaka akempa praza makuru bashomesa banasi na nabaru kubanu benda okushombo buzarsa inamba zabo reba zuza ha screen zikoporeho hati hotere buri kimunyi sakwa kirya mustari aboko babaryo mu economy yihanga they balance the equation twina WhatsApp namba yitu not mushanje mukaga 298 82 inkaga 2 nizo twandikire turebe kugenda omeisho mbichweka byawo abasting akashashe nkaka wahurangwa man gawe ngaburaburamu hatinyo energy drink ejo eyabasting waheza kuta hentama zawe nkibirishatu noija kuba nongambira utwabere charte kungambira echama mujurzi akasheshe nkaka warankuwaza kwatanka ngastiering ya moto kagara note tate temamwe hati nywa casting ngo mdachikache esintigaraka mustari abasigaza banywani banje wanore myaka kirimito konkambwe norebe mkono netetema koresa a casting no ijagara kuvuga no muhanda nkwato mungaro cyo cyartewe bari twaza kumura ngasa abantu garuka na numjenyi witu
performers those who want to excel on their duties emirimo yawo menu kukoro ino musindo
ya tado ushode wako
so no itaza kunya echo kunywa echamibwe kandi abinye mugenze mwazwanga zwango mbintu nomfutafutana
ngamba byo kuzara this is serious
no on a serious note nomfutafutana abinye bina mino hata ngashaka gembuzi nofutana noshuti noriyembuze riyo neriyamatuju ebyo birujemo iwe gura akantu kawe aho kakarigendo no mu ofisi oba mukoro oba nkahi noma nonywaho so munywa sting kandi mbwenu ojo sting ujibona neboneka
kayemba rero nagera ubushozi
so you will perfect your work abo kuvuganye kire motoka utakagwegera utakahubara abine mirimo yona
katumure
twenda kwakira Dr. Benjamin Musita turaryo mukahumura ndira kwandi tureba bwa nyuma yo kukingwa kwa USAID hati what next nchiza kutfuata huchita already nchimanyisa cyari utakaruga TV West ejin program simuke cyagumizamo twazagaruka n'ikiganiro eco
ebyijo mu papara z'amakuru byabanewe ku kibwaho rya Ntonde School of Nursing and Midwifery. obuhabuzi bw'omushaho nibukukibwaho Franklin Zahabo Jelly.
Constipation mwana charite ebintu bikuteganza abantu ebintu byinshi konkari ebintu biri kuleta abantu mu irwaro ukebuza abacatacherindira muka yes because constipation ninge cy'abantu bakweta kugumirwa okuza kwejuna ukashanga wajuna ebigumire munonga ukashanga ino rutaro no kushohoza konkito mu bashaho ntujya kandi tutwara 11 ndijo tujyana no muntu utakuzo mu toilet at least mirundi 3 mu week ndabona ine constipation
ibyo bitaro ndagisiya doctor kandi kumatiriya bahuri
utagire mu toilet so ateje ni constipation kandi umushanga nangwa ngukwa kuzaye tibigumire munonga konka yatwara so long yatora ubwiye bwinji kuzo mu toilet icyo nayo tugeta constipation at least mirundi 3 mu Sunday ninga no kwa noza mirundi minji konka buri kuzayo ugumira munonga nabwo tujya tugeta constipation ahabo jangu yoli general doctor ndeba abarwire binji constipation itokareba abantu 10 utakize mu bana ninga batanu
barwire
bine constipation yes ukushanga umuntu atakushoza shanga
yitse bonje bacamara bwira bukwingana cyo doctor mwinje kufika kwije ubwirwaro
umuntu narwaniro mukabyange
okay
yes naba abirwaniso mukabyange constipation tujye twashanga ngo niyo ubulwiro kucakuleta okushasha umuntu akutashoborukire aba majya ngo narasazi ati nyoka rwara arasazi ati nzozo kutuma ndashoza kumbe ukutashoza niko kumushasha umuntu arasazi tazine umushanga umuntu nashasha umugongo ushanga nayijurenda buri kanya
okay
ushanga no itoshasha eshesheme okay buri kanya ineke eshesheme to kumana bwaje kumbe eba constipation so kwenda kujishoboroshirwa ko kubanoza mu toilet emirundi ri hansi yeshato musande nubo kwanoshoze bitagumire nziyeta constipation kandi nubo kwanoza emirundi minji mu toilet konka buri kuzayo ukubanza wasindika munonga ukushoze bigumire munonga nayo tujeta constipation konka twine category ndijo iyo kushanga ngo nobuyo kuryaje akariye byasheme kwa narya ibita preventing constipation nabwo agumizamo agira constipation hatogwe tugira ngo bene hatogwe n'abantu bakabine conditions niko burwire umagara okutuma amaraga bamanafu ahabo kuba amara gastrointestinal system netanjiro mu kanwa ezo mu chansha zo mara make zo mara mahango okay so okurwo mu kanwa okwikachanja ejo ni system yo kuhenda hinde byo kuri
bicwanyaguza bikongera kwa bice
yes okuruga umucansha okuzo mumara amace ejo ni system eyo kamure kiyamekirisa ekachitwara omagara
enyuka
yes then umumara mahango nimwe amizi gakurugira mati amizi water
yes
hamwe na no kusindika kushobora
hariya twakamura aturiyo nzigegena
so system eje yitukurebeje irime biceka bishate cyo kubanza kurugamba no kacansha ejo niyo kuhenda henda kurugacansha kuzahamara mahango kurugamara mahango then ejo niyo kukamura kuyamekirisa then amara mahango nago kuyamamizi na no kusindika kugira bata
kwiha host
so wabo ino burwire omagara gawe ningori yahambazi ogukubasa kutuma amaraga ugaba manafu then tumaisa ngunogira constipation nubwo kurya anything else yes so whereas omirire mibi abantu abinjine barya batateka tekire ntugira ngo waza kuryobe conscious ubona orya ki ahabwaci abantu abo tukiteka teka hejuru norya ki ahabwaci
obuhabuzi bw'omushaho bw'abantu bukukibwaho Franklin's Herbal Jelly.
twagaruka kandi yenda kusima abo kuba turi hamwe urugashahemwe zabashaye ibineda shika mukaga turi ya TV West akashozi bomo cyuge cyambarara Dr Benjamin Musita twamukizaha zaganira mnonga ukinga kwa USAID nchumanisa charitwe konka no kumanisa ngo wiro untu wichiwa haba sting echo kunywecho chikoriro mebirungo byo kongera man to energize your body so ombyero ukora byona utikiriza kuwa mu amani kubara kushangana ushaka tine mani you need a drink that energizes you, that empowers your body nywa sting imaba rukora imirimo kanyecero no rubundo turo ninga inemirimo ne commitments no urarunda kubyamaho bwanyuma ninga kurara no utilizing obwirowe gire cyo kunywa cyuwanywa ekikuza kukongerera amani ukakora imirimo yawe kurungi bukashesha so sting mwebari mnonga kushajika program age ya sisimuka of course twagumuzaho nyenda kumanyisa ngo aba Franklin's Herbal Jelly aba nabakumanyisa ngo Wisdom Creations abantu baba kwanjura amajuta gabo aga Franklin's Herbal Jelly kitongore baceta Wisdom Creations amajuta aga ngahwera ho munonga abaruteganisibwa endwara zo mubiri zitari zimwe na zimwe ozirimo nko kuoma okweyagura n'ingashi tweta skin rash embuburo pimples kushanga wene embuburo yona oryaho ebiguna hamwe n'amazomba Franklin's Herbal Jelly Petroleum aba nabashangwa omaduka gona hamwe na supermarket so muyihanga yona umukibwe cyambarara bashanje Queen Cosmetics abantu bashanga umjombe kwe cha Portville building bashanje Vision Cosmetics Abu Dhabi building bashanje umuribanda wa Mugabe Cosmetics umurintungamo wa Manyire and Sons hamwe na no muri Sinjiro amahiro 20 kiriya supermarkets haza ahandi no basa kubatungira asimu isimu yabo notu mushanju mwenda notu mushanju mwenda 12:50 Terra aba Wisdom Creations barukubabuza ahacho kunywe abyo kwesige bya Franklin's Herbal Jelly obase kubatera asimu yabo eje anotu mushanju mwenda 12:50 ahandi twenda kuganira kukingwa kwa USAID, United States Agency for International Development, ekitongore kitwireho kikatandikaho ebiro bishatu byokwezi 11 President w'abantu beta John Fitzgerald Kennedy kigenderire kuyambaho kutware ntungu ukombicweka bitari mwe na bumwe okuyamba abantu baburijo no gukora ebindi. USAID yabinyi turukumanya ebene twera omunonga ombikwatire na health ombyamagara na n'ebya education, kandi kitongore nico kimwe kibire nikishashora generally abantu abene bakujya ati ninkora na USAID mbweno ichereza. Trump arikuija akagira ngo esente z'urwabo zikagomanga gaheru nyinji, akagira ngo campaign slogan niba kandi bageta MAGA, Make America Great Again. Umushijogu akaronda umugiga mnongo bakweta Elon Musk Department of Government Efficiency kiba kweta DOGE. Abantu bo mumba muyambiro kujya ngo intemwe bikene birugaho. Hati ito ntwenda kuganira, this is an economist and doctor in economics. Twenda kuganira kurebwa nyuma kukinga kwa USAID hanuya nchitwata ukita nchimanyisa ki, because noreba aroheza bakweta serious austerity measures mu mahanga g'abajungu embera yagumanga hato mu mugwampwaho nimbaza kusitamuka ngire nturiya cyamushana cyacyo hatumureke cyacyo tugirugeho tuzaguma nturiya karaho zashanka mwenda nibikoranga zezo austerity measures kureba ko ora abase ku improvisinga kugumaho ebintu byahereze kwiruka. Now some of us think nkanye nko umuntu kujya kunkubireba from the civilian viewpoint nonsroti atusheme kubantu turara ntukora eziba kweta crisis meetings kureba after the closure of USAID what next. Abo kuba itwesende twabe tubesheme kubantu tuteko Ministry of Health and Education tubentu zitai man had to zihe twakubasa kutamu now that we no longer have their support. Utakizira twakugambire kugira ngo but you see your age is also very twazengo hati ni mwakwenu ba muri line ya governor kuga kutwareba tureba umwene nkaga na gumundi jo ine nkaga kozo bakazarwa nkaga nena nkaga ni 5 governor na deputy hatujyangu yo wabwanyuma. Now first of all ejitiyo topic yitu echo kuronda governor na deputy we what does it mean to our economy briefly tukuzamba.
I think na tubentuebuze cyo kintu cyangu baza kushikangude nikatumwete nka fountain of honor Bank of Uganda governor naryo kintu cyukuru munonga kandi kokoreba record ya Dr. Tine Go oleba nguhirire he has a remarkable record na nahajerireho oyirebye birije kuba konke bibagire ku tracinga bakabishanga biryo mu finance bya mani byazo mu IT tutureberekezo bucamani na no bwiro bwagiriyeho since 2020 to 2025 eshaheje tugambiraho bakujango Bank of Uganda ningashi Uganda's economy is one of the fewest economies omunsi yona. Africa we are number 1 on maintaining the value of a shilling. We have the
why don't they reflect to us?
You want to reflect it to kujirangwa bi economics ngo mutwaro gwabo ine 2020 ejesha tuguhindukire naga majingo mutwaro gwe ngure nkoko gwe ngure nkeki ejesha value ya yote hindukire abwe bizire novo despite corona despite na ibyabiro 2022 mbagirangu bakamuhereza wadejo yo kuba the best governor of Africa bene kitongore cyabe cyo uniting governors in Africa bakajya ko barebera exchange rate bareba na inflation bashanga ngo we one of the best governors because I have maintaining at a stable rate. So okumukoza bakamuhobwa governor nchigarra mu it really we have tried to prove him kugira ngo azombijere bya professor jero kandi ko kureba professor Nwagaba nawe he has an international exposure kandi emirimo yabo majorly no kwenshuwarenga ngo inflation interest rates zazayigura munonga but something ikiba failing munonga and since even the rate professor Mzime Mutebere kibe kiryachi issue ya interest rate kabargo mungaro yabasiga. Of course we are tukiciriza forces of demand and supply is determining interest rate konka washanga the prime rate most of the commercial banks are standing at 16. Ukashanga interest rate spread nozo mbanko za kusavinga kasente kawe bakwa 3%. Uchize kwe horum the same bank bazukwera over 20%, 18%. The difference ejo, it is too huge. Wara nkama hanga ganda garakura. African average in standing at 7%. Ware eventano seheri interest iba kwa wabika kasente kawe na wazo jire kubasha basente interest iba kwera. Ijo interest iba teganise mnonga. So if there was any solution they can when iba kwasa kuteka no ku strengthening Uganda bakamba jeta is it Uganda Development Bank iba create injire konko kujya sente nyonja kugira ngo ehereza abashubuzi a interest rate ya hansi kugira ngo na commercial banks zi behaving zo kuratara you Bank of Uganda ningashe nanka Uganda as a government echekozire eche kintu kigeremere kana hati nekizo buchamani they have a very huge task. Inflation major mu Uganda nebe ine no shanga yaza munongo muri agriculture. When agriculture performs well, inflation na area has. You find them with less to say because it is external. It is within. It's almost out of their control in Bank of Uganda. Being an agrarian economy.
Yeah, now USAID ekachera ya chinga Trump akazoma office akarahebero 20 ati nebero 11 no mbarle birabiro mu office 20 days omsha rezabantu muziga. So many people here have been employed. The general motechiro beje benisashurwa y'abantu bembashashura abana babo feed abantu bembarebera abantu baba abantu be breadwinners in everything. People have been bayunka. We look at the money as to visas kazo Ministry of Health nkobwezi nkobwembaza abantu bamwe batura medications wala nko TB ward wazo HIV warga wazo Ministry of Education wara bursaries nebindi bintu bizayo mweru waza nko murayini yempunjo karebo bwezo bibenu bugendera kimubuka kwatira ho empunji. Now one of us tubeturiyo tuganira was with somebody twagira ngo ubutubwo buhire ubwo kugira ho rutaro because the refugee has nowhere to be. Obutubwo bwire bwo kwatwa ko kasirimu because people might die as way back 1980s. Obutubwo bwire ngwenu chemeye kandi hatkwegendesereza munonga. Now what does this mean to our African economies, particularly Uganda?
Atkokore you said Trump byara kugamba on a large extent yana areba making America great again. To some extent he's rich, but there is that mkono go kuyamba. Because mbakujango sentence benzomu you said is 1% of the GDP of US, 500 million zobe mbatam. Konka kukorewa Trump reasons. Wenka at a personal level, he is right 100%. China rukuchiza yaband, second largest economy months. Nereta millions za shoto na mwenda zonga. Is to me you said. Itwe of America, who are almost close to China, to take 500 million. Just now, where is the fairness? Unless in these 90 days, we sit and agree, how much should China bring on the table? India, those were the strong economies.
You said America has been putting how much?
500 million.
USA.
Actually, they call it Obuyambe once you are by UN
national development.
Yes. Hati yung China eteka mob sente which.
Yo buri kimwe cyona ne Congo. That is no.
So American judges said no. Let's go back to the history of 80. Okureto biyambi ntubareba it came after the failure. Obiyambo kuza kugira ngo wize bube buryo bwabasha because ese sente tuzigare tezera zaroni obiyambo kuza kwijo munanko munsomo bukijo mu rukumo rwenda almost at 50 nkaga between nanka 1950 1960 no baretire kugira ngo yise detanke 1963 that is after tumezero mwako mu independence. Edobwe nubwo yijo mu 1960s. Konka before that bakaba desere World Bank mu 1944 kugira ngo amahanga gabege gajiro mu World War gagarjo mu World War 2 na naga gata ko basaga Africa bakamba gira ngo ikizubu cyagwe cyangwe kere capital. aba bantu abo kureba mugamba bargo mboro tubeine capital niyo bizire bitwakarka ejo mistake dimanya if it will result into the same chigarishere charetwa on programs twine right now za government bakujangu the biggest challenge of a poor person is capital. But so for us some economists we disagree.
Why do you disagree? If I'm poor, do you think I have capital?
Because history repeats itself. Can you watch my history? Niyo kubichenga jeno conscious. Nine bank of World Bank's objective ya failing on giving capital to poor countries to get out of poverty. Kama jam ababana babantu babahereza capital nabaza kugenda bakosisente bashashura nguko kuchimanya the way banks give loans. But there are very few Ugandans abajiro bank abakisente bakasurviving. Actually banks help ababo redabino. Taro more ahabwacho more atine security atakubasa kuzom bank bakamuhereza sente. Banka nizihereza umuntu abire yazireki yayikorra banzo tuworeke ngo twakwa sente mazima they clear projection actually you first start babona kwa sente chikabaho na World Bank kiyizere ya amahanga gafrika when muzeye came into power amabanja minje bakagatusasara gakagarbe gabere gacumulated since 1960s gakagaturana gakura and we could not pay back. That was as a result of giving capital to poor people.
So in your view?
In my view, ni manyangu okuhereza abantu obujambi chikobasa kubeya mboro ntureba 1960s ntureba akija aid
nuko mukuhendera muti omutakwenda kuyamba because you believe ngo umuntu tashemeye kuyamba ayebiseho. That's where we are heading.
Nduchirizo mukuyamba but which type of help are you giving to people? Kunojirangu you said kunojangu you said nyomu teka kwa because to in a factory side za namamve ezukora yaravis tuzino kap esente zibemba turetera kunojirangu bakaziteka umkombeka amakoro okutraininga abashaho abashimukano ba manufacturing embazi tukashanga tuine excess yembaze ejo nangwa tugire ngo twabara yajigabo. That is the right help.
Manyo muntu aburuze ngo bwire butwamara nembaze
wenda kaganisha tu.
Actually I think USAID was established in 1961 by
1961.
John Kennedy nyuma yo kuba president akwa we akafan 63 no maba kamutera amasasi few years in office kandi mwari byo nzezo global policies ziyaba munaretaho. Now in emyaka nkaga nenga obukuru cyo kitongore kintu kuya hata wa concern is ntubazo kutahakana ntubazo kutikirizana. I think what I may not disagree with you ngo byambe naki akwanda rebe nabantu bantu bakigamba and with facts kuya hata nyebuza have we been prepared enough kugira ngo ntubasa kwemerera because hata noreba you know basa kugira uti ntweni muyamba konkanyu murebire nam ato wampa nicara yiguro kampanura maybe you prepare me ako ndiyo ni ndebo mwana wano hera arukushoma bachelors oshisigariyo musadi amazumo kajyo tapana muyambire chikumara ati yata juire mbwe no muyambire.
According to Trump when amanyangwe biro cyenda tumuguza kufa bikabanza kitekateko konka this is a lesson to Africans, a lesson a Uganda imweje myaka yona. Have we built enough capacity?
No, capacity yo terbaho. Nyena utebi ahativa because people are watching. There is nothing like capacity building erbaho as long as we still have that hope yo kuja muhine shinde chikwisha.
Nande ni kwereza history ya aid. Tukabanza twafailinga capital. Tuje twaza aid mbakujangu by the end of 1970s the more the aid that went to Africa the more the poorer they became. Yes, that is the aid history. Oruguma rwenda chenda mbakujangu kajiro ikintu cya capital twabara kushashura bagezeho kuri mitingo kwereza center of Africa konkabije bagira ngo aba bantu bakwetaga sente zo gukora ki zabagoba mu baherezo byambe bwabusha. Umukitabo cha William Easterly 2006 nagira ngo actually for him akareba policies za bene zabaho akandika kitamba cyeta the road to nowhere. As you give more aid mbakujangu ninkamizi wagera hi wagashuka ahantu hona nigageza no garonda aiga kubasa gukora ki level yabwe he kubera aiga kwasa kutarama ngo the same applies to money ezende kozi kwata wazihereza omworo nizagaragaza rugo mu ngaro ye zigenda izo kutarama ezende izo kutarama nahaye barazikoze kuko rugawa kwata omworo atine cyayino kama sente shaheje nizigaragara nizitambara zo muntu ari nakora
some economic in your view now it's like na PDM te kwiza kutwihambo
to some extent me I have another approach to PDM. To me, government
no president ariyo national tour yebya PDM
nareba even najaraganisa 1.5 trillion
abantu abakuteza nabebishani umuntu azahagamba ajatisi atinyo kubampire miliyoni emwe mwena ha testimony ubujuruzi ino muntu agizira kandi abantu ni bantu bashaka bo kubiha umuntu hindukire na atari
no the some extent those actually who have benefited are those abebine chibene bakora. Now, the assessment of who to get parish government model money is also a challenge. When I just was here as Oriatin, but to me, a sentence was high enough. Because that thing needs mindset change. Mindset change. Yes,
you're continuing to marginalize us. We would not have anything.
To me, I have a different approach. Muzei Yanstam says, Nyoni Mujanti, results says, parish development model can never be compared to the results says we achieve in Jerome operational wealth creation. Omoro nenda mindset change. Omoro nenda is a good environment. Nangwa muhere zembo atwe bagura zembo emwe bakabyoze bakabirya. What about when you give them money? That's my approach. I have a live example from my own family. Someone was bad off yajati bajango send was kwato tadiro nube baguze kintu mbuhango bwito nyobu umukora kwetu katumangu mwatu wa rente ningashi mwatunda chona in coming back you must come back with the program because the sentence zukta hamunju stay in kanyama. Now the mentality ju
but mentality team because at you gamberire at why do you expect me to listen they don't need a sente
na nene kueleza history mbakujangu echi kitabo cha nanka history na kujangu it became a road to nowhere. The more they tried to bring ninga yeteka yabo aba Africa, the more Africans became poor.
Now doctor right now abantu abantu batureba a program major TV West hatubwanye mu closing kwa age obuyambi bwese ndenyi by the way.
So a lot of men have to go and employing about 10 commission Babanya Uganda. Those are very many workers.
Now, Hati, what should we do? Because we have to recommend something. That because now unemployment to Iraha as our major challenge. Now Nanabacha varium sector Yangu Bachine Huturumu. Nabutwaho. Now I'm like what do we need to do?
We have
unemployment is increasing
but we don't know ever how abantu bareta supplementary budgets. Urabuliro
natwe
bashabezindi mbakujangu every year because of too much activities in the president office kuberum they kakikan kumbanta shanga yebzubu anda shanga tarabitire budget bagarka bashabayichi abukoze nanenda kuyamba abantu bagenda bahandika bihe supplementary sente zibataraplaninjire bajangu twafanaye kintu hagire cyarenga budget yitu wakozere mutukorechi mutwongereye sente. This is the same case right now kugira ngo kuyamba umuntu wa HIV butafa ombero chende ntushabangu uranga shumari ar Trump na Elon Musk actually ashuma Elon Musk because now is the key determinant omurye byona ashuma abantu baberabo kugira ngo they accept the aid kugira ngo ikorechi garuko mu Africa konkanabwo. This is the lesson to Ugandans. If you can apply for a supplementary of something, how many billions do you need kujangwa abantu ba HIV? As clinics says bariyono bachinga because bazengo clinics zona n'abakozi abe bazurumu zona abe bar under you said zona bazichinga. Now services according to Dr. Permanent Secretary wa Health ngo services zone zibizyo ma clinics sako zona zigarke nkahi o Ministry of Health. Now or you know the Ministry of Health, but you have not increased the capacity. Why can't you pay these people a certain small amount of money in form of a supplementary because ngo umukushomana ko n'abadokita b'imene mbuzo bazengu enyetegereza y'umuntu a general doctor wa referral does not have the clear understanding y'umuntu owazurina ba training arakuragurra abantu ba HIV.
That's the truth of the matter.
Because harimo specialization of medicine. There is a specialization. Nanye, I don't know the entire economics.